Hi MDTD family, welcome to another video. We're about to check in, we're about to travel. Here we are. Here you have Rafia. Say hi, Rafia. We're going somewhere and we'll check in with you to let you know, show you some vlogs, all right? It's gonna be fun. Look at Rafia. Ria, you want to say hi to the vlog? Yep, there you have Ria.
So we traveled to Toronto to come here because, there weren't any really flights from where we live to our destination. So instead we drove to Toronto. We had to 4:40 something, and we arrived at 10 or 11. So we were pretty tired. We had to wake up really early because our flight is at 3, and we have to go there early.
So we'll check back in with you in just a little bit. All right, thank you so much. Stay tuned. Yes guys, so we have finished our security check and we're now at the gate waiting to board our flight. We still have some time to go. As you know that I'm always early, just so that you know I'm always on time. So we still have a little time to wait for our flight to get to our destination. We're hoping and praying for a safe trip to and from our destination. So we will check in with you a little bit later on to let you know where we are and what the trip is like. All right, I have the two girls over there. As you can see, they are talking. Yes. Yeah, so they are having a little snack before we take our flight. So I'll check back in with you a little bit later on. All right, thank you.
We got our food. There's a little salad. We have bread with butter. And then my parents, my sister and my dad, they got different food. But I got this sandwich and we have
MDTD, we're finally in Montego Bay. Here we are. Destination has been revealed. Montego Bay, Jamaica. Oh, you can see. For now. And then we'll move on. So what we will do, give you a little taste of some of the spots in Jamaica. So I'll check back in with you as soon as we clear immigration. All right, thank you. Rafia, say hi. Yes, guys, here we are in Montego Bay on our way to St. Anne to Ocho Rios. But my word, the traffic is something else. And see Rafia around here having her patties. And then I have my very good friend and my brother over here. Yeah, Arthur's over there. Classmate, schoolmate from way back when. That's on old. No. Donkey years, son. No, not from way back when. From just the other day. That make me sound too old.
I didn't want to say donkey years. Long time that. Yeah.
It's been a while, man.
From Patty Pan. From Jolly Bus days. Yeah.
It's always good when you can keep the friendship and keep the link, even though life takes us in different direction.
Yeah, man.
You know, family
Far
commitment
away,
and
yeah.
different things, but we can still keep the link. And even if we don't see each other for years,
Yeah.
but we see each other, it's just like, you know what, catch up on old times and, you know, it's life again.
Just like that.
Welcome to Ocho Rios. Here we are at Moon Palace. I'm just checking in back with you guys. If you see this face look a little bit sad, I've been waiting here for now for almost an hour for a check-in. Still haven't checked in as yet after almost an hour. So hopefully someone will come and assist us. So that's our plight. We're here a bit tired, but it is what it is. We're going to make the best of it and make the most of our vacation. So I'll check back in with you. So we are finally finished with check-in. Now we are heading towards the room. So we're looking for the elevator. Of course, we are hungry. So let's go and find the room. Guys, I'm so tired. That's why you probably hear me. I'm just so tired right now. So here we have a closet space right here. Then you have the toilet area that is separate from the shower area, which is quite good. And the rest will explain itself. I don't have to go into detail to tell you what is what. I'm actually on the balcony right now, and I'll give you a view from the balcony. It's a partial ocean view. So as you can see, there we have the ocean. Here we have the melangerie, the sweet treat area. Yes, sir. You want to be on YouTube? Yes, I am. So here we have a tour of the lobby area. Let's look at the details. Very spacious, huge area. There's a welcome area. There's a bar over there. Let me hope that I'm doing. Yes, there's a bar over there. You have guest services over here. There's also the Palace Elite. Like on this side, you have the gift shop, souvenirs. Also, right in the lobby area, there is the VIP lounge. And to either side of the lobby area is the entrance to the buffet, Buccaneer Reef. And also right in the lobby area, there is the VIP lounge. And to either side of the lobby area is the entrance to the buffet, Buccaneer Reef buffet. Here we have the entrance to the buffet. Beautiful, beautiful architecture. Just look at that. Over here we have the beautiful pool area. I'll just give you a tour of what it's like, the beautiful pool area. And you have a pool up top there. Water is coming down. We have a fitness center inside here. A few equipments. Inside the fitness center, you have the spa. I'm not going inside, but just showing you that there is also a spa. And over here we have another pool. So they have quite a number of pools on the on the grounds here at Moon Palace. And yet another pool. Over here you have a little splash park. So there's entertainment for everybody. You, your children, your grandchildren, your grandmother, grandfather, the entire family. You have the water slide. Room, just in case you're here with your children. Just look at the view, guys. This is amazing. So if you love sushi, over here we have a sushi bar.